Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. Now, let's take a look at what we will be expecting tomorrow on GBPUSD. I want you to pay close attention to this because I'm going to give you guys in details. Now, before I actually go ahead, to those of you that are having trouble growing up your accounts, you're having trouble growing up your accounts, then you can actually subscribe to our Patreon channel and we will be putting out high probability trade. Basically, it is trade that have high probability of winning, high probability setup trade. Trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. That is the trade we will be sharing. Now, these are a couple of trades we actually took. So this week, you can see it on Monday, which is September 18. We actually took a trade on WTI crude oil and we actually hit our profits. Also, on Tuesday, we actually took a trade on WTI, which we actually hit our profits. So on Wednesday, we will be looking to take another trade. So basically, once you join us, you can now trade with us. And we are running a 40% discount, which will last within 2 to 3 days, maximum of 3 days. So once you join now, you can get access to trade with us. So the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. Check out the comment section so you will get it. Now, back to this my analysis. I want you guys to pay attention. What do you see here right on this GBP What is this? You can see that this is a downtrend move, right? We all can see a lower lows and the lower highs, lower lows and the lower highs playing out. So common sense is that okay, we would join this our trend, whatever you would want to call it, maybe trend resistance or trend support, whatever you want to call it, right? Then we can also see that price has now come to tap this our trend resistance, right? Common sense, we all know that price will continue that drop till it come to hit this our trend support level, right? Meaning we should be expecting more drop on GBPUSD. That is on the technical aspect. Listen, this is on the technical aspect of this. But when you take a look at something that wants to happen tomorrow, right? We will be expecting federal fund rates to remain the same. That is what it's saying. But if it increases, the Fed can come and increase interest rate to 6 point something something, maybe 6.00 or 6.115 or whatever, right? If it increases, then personally, that is of my own opinion. Remember, this is of my own opinion. If it increases, then I see USD going bullish. But if it remains the same, I see USD dropping. As you can see, it's saying that there's a forecast that it will remain the same, right? 5.50 to remain the same. So if it will remain the same, then of course we expect USD to fall. If USD fall, what will happen then definitely if USD fall, GBP USD should actually give us that bullish move. So we need to watch out what it will say. That is one. Now let's take a look at our DXY USD index. Let's zoom it out, right? You can clearly see that there is a range market move within this level, right? You can see that this is the resistance level, a key level here. Resistance level price came rejected and dropped. We saw a pullback from this level. Price reacted to this level. When price broke above it, it came to test the same level, key level, right? This same level price reacted to this level, came to test this level and it dropped. Now, what can you see on this market? You see that prices at this major resistance level. So at any time, at any given time, USD will start falling. Can it go up? Now, can it actually push up first? Can it actually break above this? Absolutely, yes, it can do that. It can do that. But I think very soon, probably it will do that to take out a lot of traders. Maybe a lot of traders we will be aiming to sell here. A lot of traders will be placing their sell around this level. Then, of course, price will just go up, take out their stop loss, then before it starts dropping. So in the long run, so we will see USD drop to this support level. But for now, it just depends on how it's saying. So if that federal fund rate remain the same, then we expect USD to drop, and that itself will match to this our analysis that says that okay, USD is at this major level and it is ready to fall. But do not go ahead and sell blindly. You all know you need a confirmation. So this is what we are just saying. Probably we'll be expecting a sell on USD, right? But only look to sell if you get a confirmation. only if we get a confirmation. And one of those confirmation could be probably there's a breakout of this trend. As you can see, this is the trend line. Probably there's a breakout of this trend. Then that could serve as your confirmation, or price can eventually come to break this higher lows. As you can see, this higher lows here, price can eventually come to break below it. That could be as your confirmation. It depends on what you are looking at. But I'm seeing very soon, sooner or later, GBPUSD will start pushing up. But before we actually look to start taking a buy, we need a confirmation. So basically, if you are interested, you need to sign up to our Patreon channel. The link will be in the comment section. So once you subscribe to the Patreon channel, we will give you high probability trade, not just trade, set up, by the way. High probability setup is what we will be promising you on that channel. So if you're interested, sign up, join our link. The link will be in the comments section.